Hi everyone, it's Romina. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm showing you how I created these tile nails using layer stamping. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get started. So I'm gonna start prepping my nails. I've already cleaned them with rubbing alcohol and I'm applying one coat of my base coat. So this will help protecting my nails and make the polish last longer. For the base, I'm using this sheer white. Make sure your base is completely dry before stamping. Here I've applied 3 coats, and now that my base is completely dry, I will move on to the stamping. So this is a layer stamping plate. That means that it has several steps for creating one pattern. So I'm gonna use this one. This pattern only has 2 steps. So the first one, I'm gonna do it with orange. You can see the result already on my other nails. And here's where the magic happens, layer 2. So this is gonna complement and fill out all the blank space from the previous design, so you can see both colors. And don't worry about being perfect. Imperfect layers add a little bit of charm, and I think they look really cute. These nails give me that idea of old and very retro tiles. So for the other nails, I'm using single designs that are also connected on the same theme as the other nails. For this video, I'm trying out a new smudge free top coat. This is from Clear Jelly Stamper and it worked perfectly. It didn't smudge at all my designs. So here's the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!